Welcome to your crash course on the Salute Low Air Loss Mattress. Let's start by turning it on. Let's press the power button on the side. We're now in standby mode, so we can press and hold the power button until the machine turns on. Perfect. Let's go over here. This is showing us our firmness level. So Mr. Smith requires firmness level 3. We'll come over here and double check that the setting matches this sticker. Over here, we have our mode. So we have the option of static and alternating mode. How do we know which mode the elder needs? Every elder is going to have a sign like this at their bedside, and one of the therapists will have this filled out for you to show you exactly what mode it should be in. We're almost always going to be using the alternate mode, so I'm going to turn that on right now. Our cycle means the amount of time that it takes for the cells to turn on and off underneath the elder. Here we have it set to 20, so I'm going to quickly change that so it matches the sticker right here. Now, when we're providing care, we need the mattress to be in an auto firm setting. So what that means is that the mattress will go from level 3 all the way up to level 8, and the mattress will become firm. So when you're preparing an elder for a transfer or you're going to provide care, we're first going to come over here to the lock button, and we need to unlock the mattress. So let's press and hold. The green light has turned off, so now we can come over here to the max button, press that once. Now you'll see the mattress is going to go from level 1 all the way to level 8. The mattress will become firm. When you're done care, come back over here, press that button one more time. You'll see the green light goes off, and then we can come over here to the lock button again and lock that mattress out so that no accidental changes could be made. And that's it. That's all you need to know.